Chicago. So I'm going to Chicago at the end of this month, and I was talking to my grandparents about, me going to Chicago and talking about flight plans and, I'm flying into O'Hare Airport and how I'm taking Virgin America and how it's all fabulous. And I'm so excited about Chicago and, it's just going to be great. Ebony Magazine's in Chicago. My cousin, Regina, she lives in Chicago. So I'm going to meet up and have, lunch with her. And it's just going to be fabulous. And what do my grandparents tell me? What's the consistent consensus about Chicago? Now, keep in mind, I'm from Richmond. Keep in mind, I've lived in Richmond, mostly all my life. Yes, Richmond is the ninth most dangerous city in America. There's murders all the time in broad daylight. I've lost loved ones, attended funerals of murder victims, which I don't recommend. And, it's just crazy. It's pretty insane how, people kill each other over dollars. Like, literally, this guy killed his mom over $1. Like, it's really poverty. Like, there's nothing. The big businesses are Chevron, which kills people from cancer. And then you have Kaiser, which can kill people or not provide health care for people who have cancer but don't have enough money. Anyway, my point is that they live in the hood. And yet they say that Chicago is more hood, that Chicago is dangerous, and that Chicago is cold, and that they don't like the cold, and they don't like the people, and they don't like this, and they don't like this, and they don't like this. So then my grandma's like, why you want to go to Chicago anyway, Tamisa? What's in Chicago? What's so great about Chicago? Because they don't like Chicago. And I'm like, Gran, it's like fabulous. And, I was like, the fashion, they have swag. They dress like the people in Texas. Fashion is all the same. I'm like, Gran, come on, like, be cheery, like, be happy, like, and that's my grandparents for you. They're not happy that I'm going to Chicago. They hope I don't like it. They hate, oh my God, they hate New York, and I want to live in New York so bad. They hate it. My grandpa goes about Chicago and New York. They take community showers. They got communal living. Oh my God. This is a man who's from Alabama. Like, you came to California with like $5. Like, how can you complain about a city? They hate it. But the truth is, they just don't want me to leave them because they love me. That's the truth. The truth is that they don't want Tamisa to leave them. That's the truth. Because, really, you hate Chicago and New York that much? Seriously, grandparents? I can't even with them. I can't even with them. They're just too damn much. Too damn much. And that concludes my family part 1 today. Hope your grandparents treat your grandparents right and love them. But when it's time to flee the nest, they're not gonna be happy when you decide to leave. Just letting you know. Toodles.